window, frequent folders, desktop, 1 of tree view, this PC, 2 of 3, expanded, manage, menu item, menu key G, this PC window, user account control window, no. Refresh, 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 menu item, menu key. Computer management, local, /storage enter table, 5 by 8, C. Exit table, graphical view. This PC window, tree view, this PC, 2 of 3, expanded. Computer management, local, /storage /disk management window, graphical view, change drive letter and paths, menu item, eject properties, change drive letter and paths, open, mark, change drive letter and paths for J_CCSA_x86FRE_NUS add drive letter or path dialog, assign the following drive letter, radio button, selected, Alt+A, add a new drive letter or path for J_CCSA_x86, computer management, local, /storage /disk management window, this PC